Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back to Whimsy Designs. I'm Alondra, and today we're going to be talking about the sewing plans that I have for 2022. Oof. Now, these are not all the things that I hope to sew, but at least within the next couple months, these are the tasks that I plan to tackle. There we are, words. First on the list is actually something I talked about in my Thrift with Me and Thrift haul video, where I had the pillowcases that I got from just the side of the road, and they're beautiful. And what they are actually placemats, and I plan to seam rip them, stuff them with stuffing from recycled pillows, so things from the thrift store, and then miraculously at my job yesterday, they were putting out just the Christmas decorations that they didn't want to keep for the next year, and for whatever reason, some pillow stuffing was part of that. So thank you very much for this fiber fill, because right now I have 3 pillows and I have 4 pillowcases, and I knew that I wasn't going to have enough stuffing, so the Lord just came and blessed your girl. So I'm very excited. I do think this will be my next project, so if you're interested, definitely subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified when that video goes up. So this is number 1. Then, as y'all saw also in my previous video, which was all the things I made in 2021, I had a brown skirt, and I'll put it over here. And what I need to do is take out the one band of elastic, make a back seam, make it tighter to my waist measurement, and then add a zipper and just fix it up from there. But basically I'm changing it from an elastic waistband to a zipper, and I need to hem the bottom as well. I'm hoping that will be like a 1-day project. Well, it might become a 2-day project. Hopefully no more than that. Additionally, with that same exact fabric, I would like to make a pair of just some nice like palazzo pants. So I have this pattern. It's so simple. McCall's L9553. I got this from Walmart. And so what the girl is currently wearing, that's the type of style pant that I would like to make. It does look like it's another elastic waistband. I can't tell if there's a drawstring just from this back image, but the skirt had a drawstring. So oh yeah, it looks like she's got a drawstring too. So I may or may not do the drawstring. I'll have to see how it fits with just the elastic on its own. But these are the pants that I hope to make with that same brown fabric, and hopefully I have enough. It's so soft, and I feel like they would make the most comfortable pants, but I just don't know if I have enough, so we'll have to check that. Then another sewing pattern I want to tackle, this one's a vintage pattern. It's Simplicity 6613, and I want to make the middle dress here. So it's kind of like a princessy seam, and it's got long sleeves. That looks like they did like a mesh on the arms. I would just leave the same fabric that I used for the dress for the arms. It's got a nice scoop neck, and it's like, I don't know if A-line is the right term, correct me down below, but it's just got 2 large seams coming from the shoulders, like the armpit down the bust line, and then all the way down, so it's like elongating the body. And I'm only 5'3.5", so the more height I could get is cool with me. So yeah, that one looks good, because right now we are in the dead of winter. Literally next week there's supposed to be 22 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees at night. Like, no one is here for these short sleeves. Can't not want to do it. So the more long-sleeved fashion that I can acquire, the better. Then something that I thought of maybe a couple months ago is I have this twin duvet cover from an old twin bed, but we recently got rid of that mattress. So now I was thinking that I could turn this duvet cover into a shower curtain for our bathroom, because I already have some other like floral accents, and I feel like it would just make it very pretty, maybe a little bit more romantic. I've always wanted just like one of those you kind of step into another world when you enter the bathroom type bathrooms. I love those, like the super moody, like deep tones of like emerald green wallpaper or something like that. But then I also love the super airy feel like you're in a spa. So I can't wait till I can find a home that has 2 bathrooms so I can have both of those contrasts, because all the decor. Exciting. So back to this. This is a double-sided duvet cover. It's got the flowers on one side and with the leaves, and then polka dots on the other. And so the goal is to just zip this up, keep the zipper side as the bottom, then use the already hemmed, no opening side as the top, and then make buttonholes through both sides so that I would be able to just then hook the shower curtain hooks through whichever side I want exposed for that time. And this would be the outer curtain because we already have one that's the inner curtain. So this also should be a this should be like a 1 hour project without any complications from the sewing machine and myself. Truly, this should be quick. So this and the pillowcases, I feel like if I can get my together, these 2 would be in the same video as like easy DIYs. But we'll see what actually happens, because I'm me, and I know when I plan for a 1 day project, that never happens, like ever. So we will see. So that's all I got for y'all. This is a really quick video, but I just wanted to keep y'all updated with the things that I plan to sew this year, at least for the next couple months. And I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel because, as y'all know, we've got so many more crafts coming, and that's just the sewing. That's not all the other crafting things that I do. And give this video a like if you liked it, or you just like me, you know. And don't forget to comment, what are y'all making this year or plan to make? What are you most excited to see next? Are you excited for the bed duvet cover into shower curtain, or the placemats into pillowcases? Are you more excited for the pants and the skirt fixes and things of that nature? Let it go know, because whatever y'all like most, I will put out first. I will do that for you because I care about y'all feelings. All right. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.